Urkel, Jay. Urkel. We gotta be Urkel, Tyson. We gotta be Urkel, Tyson. We gotta be Urkel. Oh, Jesus, Derek.
Excuse me. Stop it!
Hey, sir.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Help you across the street.
Oh gosh. What?
Let's get football table.
What?
You want to? Hey, you want to? Ow!
There you go.
Now go, Jimmy. It's all set up, Jimmy. Go. We gotta put dirt in there. No, we don't.
Why are you videoing me?
I gotta pull the pants up there.
Mom, I'm gonna wash my hands when I'm done.
You gotta
Probably
do more
have
than
dirt
wash
in
your
my
hands.
I probably have dirt in my hands.
Stop.
See, that's what sucks.
You gotta get on the pipe. There you go.
Slide, Jimmy, slide.
We have to slide all the way down.
Give you a wedgie.
Oh, God. Oh, hurts. Oh, God. I got a bad wedgie.
I'd say.
Oh, crap. Oh, you got a wedgie? Oh, crap.
Derek.
What?
He's putting your hat on.
Don't do that. It's gonna get filthy.
Derek.
What?
Brandon, go jump over the hay bale.
That's Sasquatch right there.
This Sasquatch.
What are you doing?
He goes back down on me. Whoa! Who done that?
What is his problem?
He's going to jump the hay bale. No, he's not. He rolled down off the hill over there. You're getting ready to see him come flying out from somewhere. I see him. He rolled out the hay bale. Let's go try it,
Mom, look
Derek.
back that way. Go.
He's over there by the hay bale. Derek, let's go flip over the hay bale. Let's go.
Where's Jay?
He won't get a drink. He laughed. He won't get a drink. He slid right into it. It's gonna break.